So hey guys, Mickey Gaming here, and I'm going to be trying to set a world record for the fastest time on solving the Rubik's Cube on the first layer. Only solving the first layer, but none of these. I can solve the whole Rubik's Cube, but I'm just trying to do this for entertainment purposes only. So let's get doing it. I've got 10 seconds of inspection time. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Five seconds. Prove it. 5 seconds. Try and beat that score. Let me scramble it. Scramble the cube. I've got put on 5 seconds inspection time. 4, 3, 2, 1. 8 seconds. Alright, that is not fast enough whatsoever. I'm just going to scramble the cube. So, scrambled cube. 5 seconds inspection time. 3, 2, 1. Alright, 7 seconds. Trying to beat that. Just keep watching the video of me just trying to solve it. 5 seconds. 3, 2. 5 seconds. Ooh, I'm getting there. How much is that? 5:23. All right, my first. That was pretty good. My first one was 5:52. Yes, I beat my high score. I'm trying to beat it now. Mix it up. Five seconds. Guys. Scramble the cube again. Alright. Five seconds. Four seconds. Yes. I think I just set a new world record for the fastest first layer being solved. Done. Let me scramble it again. Let me scramble it again. There we go, scrambled. I'm going to scramble it a bit more, make it a challenge. There we go, scrambled. 5 seconds. Come on! My hand, I got 4 seconds, but my hand did not touch that button, so yeah. Our highest is 2.98 seconds. Mix it up again. You can see it's scrambled. Three seconds. 2, 1. Nine seconds. Guys, I think we just set a new world record. I don't know. My scramble was B prime, R prime, U2, RF, R2, F prime, D, L, F2, U, R prime, B prime, L2, F, D2, L prime, F2, D prime, F prime, U, F2, F, R, U, D prime, B prime. There we go. So I have one more shot at this, then I'm gonna be done, right? Then I'm gonna be done.